Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a zipper. Now the zipper isn't really based on any other moves, so as long as you're really happy with your beginner level stuff and you're into intermediate dancing, you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes like this: 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now first off, we need to be able to get into a double cross, so we'll break it all down. It goes semicircle back to 2 hands. Double cross is usually created by doing a travelling return, taking both hands over the lady's head. So we're going to bring the lady down the right hand side, both hands over the top, walking through to the other side, keeping an eye on the lady, so we end up double crossed. In this case, what that means is we're going to be right arms over left arms for both people. From here, what's going to happen is we're going to start the lady walking forwards, and this is always the bit that people find tricky about the zipper. We're going to lift the hands, we're going to take the left so it's going over the lady. The guys are turning to the right to take the right over themselves. The ladies are turning right as well, and the hands have got to get out and down before you get too far, so that you can go past each other and fold the arms up behind the back. If you don't get the arms down soon enough, you'll find it difficult to finish the rest of the move off. You'll start finding your shoulders and elbows are getting in the way. Now from here, there's a load of different endings. The simplest ending, or at least the most common ending, is the guy to duck down, go underneath the lady's arm, letting go of the hand behind his back. So now the lady's hand is sliding up to the left shoulder. We take hold with the left hand in front of the elbow, so as we come up we can lead the lady backwards, slide down to the hand, and we're done. So we'll do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircle and back, 2 hands, 1, changing sides over the top, 2, making it all the way out, 3, we go over the top, 4, down and behind the back, 5, guys underneath, 6, and out, 7. So let's see if it works together. Here we go. 5, 6, the zipper. It's a back, over the top, look, up high, down low, underneath, and out. And that's it. There are various other versions of the zipper, and there is also another move called a human zipper, which is a different thing entirely, not to be confused with. Hope you find that useful. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the video, so thank you anyone who likes that. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so massive thank you to everybody who subscribes. And if you hit the notification bell as a subscriber, what will happen is you get told every time a new video comes out, so you don't miss anything. Thank you very much for watching. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. We'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.